Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Turkey's naval forces are building four Istanbul class multi role frigates which are developed under the Milgem National Warship Program and identified as the I class frigate. The Milgem project is a national warship program of the Republic of Turkey which is managed by the Turkish Navy. As per this program, the aim is to develop multi-purpose corvettes and frigates that can be deployed in a range of missions which includes the reconnaissance, surveillance, early warning, anti-submarine warfare, surface-to-surface and surface-to-air warfare, and amphibious operations. As mentioned before, there are four frigates planned in this class, and these ships are built by Istanbul Naval Shipyard. The lead frigate in this class is known as TCG Istanbul, and the other names has been given on the screen for your quick reference. This video is to give an update on one of the vital components of the frigate, which is the vertical launching system. A vertical launching system is an advanced system for holding and firing missiles on mobile naval platforms such as surface ships and submarines. Each vertical launch system consists of a number of cells which can hold one or more missiles ready for firing. Typically, each cell can hold a number of different types of missiles, allowing the ship's flexibility to load the best set for any given mission. Initially, the plan was to install Lockheed Martin Mk-41 vertical launch system, but now due to the Qatar sanctions imposed on Turkey, prevented the sale of Mk-41 VLS by the United States. The sanctions were imposed after Turkey bought the Russian S-400 air defense system even after the United States warned of sanctions. So now what are the plans for the four frigates which has been planned? As per the defense sources, it looks like the Turkish defense company Roketsan is going to develop the required vertical launching system. Looks like the system which is going to be developed by Roketsan will have some structural difference when compared to the Mark 41 VLS. It is said that this indigenous system of Turkey will be 8 meters long than the Lockheed Martin Mk-41. Another advantage of going for such indigenous systems will give the capability to launch indigenous missiles, which is again manufactured by Roketsan. The missiles which I am talking about here is the HISAR surface-to-air missile and ATM-ACA anti-ship missiles. So that was a quick update on Turkey's Istanbul-class frigates getting fitted with indigenous vertical launch system manufactured by Roketsan. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comments section. Thank you.